Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today we teach you custom curve. There are two methods to use this tool. The first method, save a custom curve. Mark curves. Right-click to finish. Click base point. Save the curve. Note, different base points, custom curves are different. Mark curves. Right-click to finish. Click base point. Choose Custom. Click OK. Choose Intelligent Pen tool. Draw a line. Choose another one. Draw another line. The second method, click Custom Curves. Click OK. OK, finish. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.